Hello folks. Yesterday I was visiting at Spåkenäs coastal fortress which was built by German army during World War II, and they used some local people also to build this fortress. The fortress was built because German forces wanted to build naval bases here at the fjords, and they wanted to protect these naval bases, and the place is strategically important. You can see in Lyngen Fjord both north and south really well, and they placed there few cannons and other artillery stuff, and there's these concrete buildings left, and they even demolished one big concrete building there. And even though it's cruel history, it was nice to visit the place. The weather was fine, sun was shining, partly cloudy, and okay, high wind from north, but anyhow, I will show you some photos or videos about that place. From Spåkenäs I rode back to Mandalen, something like 40 kilometers, and now I'm in place called Lurkwall, and here is a camping place, few camper vans, and these few of these huts. Stayed overnight one of these huts, and it was really nice to stay here. It's a quiet place, even though this E6 highway goes just beside this camping place. Today I'm going to travel further south towards Finland via Schuberth, and then I'm continue to Kilpisjärvi and up to Kemi, which is town, and I'm going to spend next night there. So I have packed my stuff, and I'm continue my trip. Before hitting the main road, I will take a small detour in this area to find out some good places to take videos and photographs. So we'll see. The weather is not the finest, low-hanging clouds and some drizzle of water, but the weather changes suddenly here in Norway, so let's see what's the weather after 1 hour or so. So I will continue. Okay, I'm riding now at Sunday morning, 9:30 around, in Lyngen Fjord towards Schuberth, and from there I will continue to Kilpisjärvi, Finland. This is really beautiful scenery, even though clouds are hanging low. I have been riding this path several times back and forth, and it's always beautiful to me. It really seems that autumn is coming quite soon. It's cold, 8 degrees Celsius right now. In my whole trip the temperature has been around 10 degrees, maximum 50 degrees, but now it's a little bit more chilly. This new tunnel has good lights and no problem to ride. you.